Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can redeem code on TestFlight. Now once you made the TestFlight account, you're going to wait for a bit until they approve your account. So that could take 24 to 48 hours, it could take even more. Now after they've approved the account, you will get a link on your email. They will send you an email, and once you open their email, you will scroll down and select the view button. In the invitation link that they've sent, the view button would be shown and you will click on that. And once you click on that, it will basically open a web page with the code for TestFlight. Now after that, you will open the TestFlight app on your iOS device, and in the upper right corner, you will click on redeem. Now once you click on redeem, the pop-up will come automatically, which you can use to enter your code, and you will click OK in the next pop-up window. You will confirm that, and after that the redeem would happen and you would have redeemed the code on your TestFlight application. Just make sure that TestFlight has sent you that invitation link in your email. If they haven't, you won't be able to redeem code. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.